the ontological essence of subjectivity unfolds through the act of volition, where vulnerability transforms from a passive property into a conscious mode of existence. When an individual integrates the possibility of error into their own structure of being, they transcend the determinism of external circumstances and assert their autonomy through the acceptance of risk. Internal determination emerges here as the highest form of freedom, because it is grounded in the recognition of one's own finitude. A community that renounces repressive mechanisms ceases to be a space of coercion and transforms into an intersubjective field of truth. The absence of punishment shifts the emphasis from the external legitimation of the norm toward the internal ethics of each participant. Responsibility for the truth becomes not a burden, but a fundamental act of self-awareness in the presence of the other.